Exploring the past, the power of to relive the memory. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that touches the heart, to relive the memory. This expression holds a special place in both everyday conversation and emotional reflection. Stick around as we unwrap the layers of this phrase, understanding its meaning, usage, and how it connects us to our past experiences. To relive the memory means to experience the feelings and emotions of a past event once again. When we relive a memory, we're not just recalling facts or details. We're immersing ourselves in the emotions and sensations of that moment as if it were happening right now. This phrase beautifully captures the human ability to connect with their past through vivid memories. Reliving memories can be a powerful emotional journey. It can bring joy, nostalgia, sadness, or a mix of feelings depending on the memory itself. This process can be therapeutic, helping individuals process past experiences, celebrate happy moments, or find closure. However, it's important to approach sensitive memories with care, as reliving them can sometimes be overwhelming. Let's see how to relive the memory is used in everyday language. In storytelling, as he narrated his childhood adventure, he could relive the memory, feeling the excitement all over again. In reminiscing, looking through old photos, she was able to relive the memory of her graduation day. In emotional healing, writing about his experiences allowed him to relive the memory and process his feelings. These examples show that reliving memories is a common, yet profound, part of human experience. Using to relive the memory in conversation or writing adds a deep emotional layer to communication. It indicates not just a passive recall of past events but an active engagement with the emotions and sensations of those events. Here are some tips. Use it when discussing past experiences that have a significant emotional impact. Combine it with descriptive language to paint a vivid picture of the memory. Be mindful of the context and the emotions involved, ensuring sensitivity and understanding. To relive the memory is a phrase rich with emotion and depth, offering us a gateway to revisit the past with all its nuances. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding and appreciation for this beautiful aspect of language and memory. Whether you're sharing stories, reflecting on your experiences, or connecting with others, remembering the power of reliving memories can add a meaningful layer to your conversations. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video.